Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting assets into Clipchamp and setting a solid workspace. First, import everything, drag and drop, or use the import button so you can scan footage fast. Once done, create a project with the right aspect ratio, 16:9 or vertical, and set resolution to match delivery. Make sure to organize clips into labeled bins and delete obvious bad takes immediately. This reduces decision fatigue. Also, enable proxy or lower preview quality if your machine stutters while editing. You now focus on shaping the story with precise edits and layering. Start by blocking the main timeline, remove silence and obvious errors, then tighten pacing with short, rhythmic cuts. Once the main track sings, add B-roll above the primary footage to support claims or visuals, lower opacity or scale to create depth. Use transitions sparingly, cut for energy, fade for calm. For color, apply a base LUT or preset, and then adjust exposure and white balance by eye so skin tones look natural. You finish by polishing audio and export settings so your file plays cleanly everywhere. First, balance levels. Compress gently, EQ any muddiness, and normalize to around -1 to -3 decibels so platforms don't auto-limit. Then export using H.264 at the native resolution and a moderate bitrate for streaming. If things go wrong, playback stutters or artifacts, clear Clipchamp cache, re-render the troublesome segment, or export using proxy settings. Doing that fixes most playback and sync issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.